Hi everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my Happy Charge review. Happy Charge is promising big money for us to charge our mobile phone, but is it actually legit or a scam? Let's find out together. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit like if you did. Let's kick this off. As soon as you launch Happy Charge up, you get an advertisement straight away. So already, we're in for a bumpy ride. Now, this is what Happy Charge looks like when you first launch it up. It brings up a sign-in bonus area. Here you can see the in-game currency is coins. Tapping on sign-in is going to play another ad instantly. And then once you've watched that advertisement, another advertisement's going to appear. So already, we have 3 advertisements in the span of about a minute. Not a good start at all. And then another one plays. So yes, that's technically 4 advertisements. And now you can see another one's just loaded up as well. So we'll make that 5 advertisements. Now it's the 6th advertisement. So I can't even get into the application right now. This is beyond pathetic. Okay, I can now show you the application after watching 6 advertisements to get into the app. So here is how it looks. Very straightforward setup. We have the battery in the middle of the screen. You can see my battery is on 98%. And you have all these little weird clickables on the screen as well. And you'll notice here on the right side, we have coins also. I'm sitting on 150 coins right now, as you can see at the top of the screen. Happy Charge is claiming I have 3 problems with my mobile phone, apparently. And tapping on Optimize is going to fix those problems. By the way, underneath that, you can see that there's a limited time task, apparently, for $348. It seems like I only have 2 hours to collect this money as well. Underneath that area, you have the daily task situation going on, where we can redeem a whole bunch of coins, apparently, for completing these daily tasks on the screen. Underneath that, we have the Lucky Play area, which has Lucky Wheel, Lucky Draw, and Lucky Shake. And then, of course, we have a big fat advertisement at the bottom of the screen there, just to remind us that this app is full of ads. What about if I tap on this little piggy bank here on the right side? This piggy bank is going to grant me 10 of the coins if I open it. Of course, you're going to have to watch an advertisement. We will come back to that in a second. Because I want to tap on the Optimize button. Boy, I can't wait to see what they're going to optimize for us. Alright, there's the advertisement. That was expected, of course. So I'm not sure what that fixed exactly, but it states battery protection and I can get rewards. Tapping on that just plays another advertisement. Dude, I don't think I've seen an app have this many advertisements this blatantly. It's crazy. But after watching that, apparently I've just earned 81 cents of currency. Wow. So I've just completed the daily task of battery optimization. Tapping on get plays the ad, of course. Alright, so at least now apparently got $16 for watching that ad. So that brings our balance at the top of the screen to $166. What if I want to play the Lucky Wheel area now? So the Lucky Wheel area has this very simple setup. You can see at the middle of the screen here, we have the prize wheel. Underneath that, we have the remaining times that we can spin. And then underneath that, we have the apparent chest that we will win for spinning the wheel. So I've just hit the wheel now, and our ad appears, of course. It's spinning again automatically. I didn't even press that just then. And apparently you've won 70 cents. And now another 30 cents. They really want you to multiply it though by watching an advertisement in the middle of the screen there. There is the automatic roll button there, by the way. Let me try and spin 8 times so I can try and get this chest. And there's the advertisement automatically. So they're going to get you with ads either way. Alright, so here we go. Apparently a mystery gift and it's just an ad instantly. What is going on with this app, everyone? Happy Charge, seriously. Okay, so now the chest is apparently unlocked. Here we go. Of course, advertisement. You can't make this stuff up. That's a 40-second advertisement as well, everyone. Look at the top right corner of the screen. Are you kidding me? Okay, that apparently got me 10 coins. Pumping our balance up to 180. How about we press the Lucky Draw button? You guys have seen this type of system before, haven't you? You just tap on the cards to flip them. Oh, there we go. Apparently $1.04 of the currency. Then we tap on the middle card there. What do we get? 70 cents. Tap on another card there, $1.04. Pretty straightforward stuff. And there's another ad. So it's been a very, very painful review so far for Happy Charge. What if we tap on one of these little weird icons on the left side of the screen? Tapping on the little box brings up your system info. So, of course, they have to put the little ad at the bottom of the screen there as well, just to make sure they milk as much money out of you as possible. But here you can see there's apparently some stats about the mobile phone I have. There's these little details here regarding the space, apparently. And then you have some buttons at the top of the screen, including booster, cooler, saver, and mine. Tapping on booster wants it to add a shortcut to your mobile phone's desktop. Absolutely not. And the same thing applies to all the rest of the buttons as well. And there's another advertisement, of course. What about this little weird icon with the money? Legitimately, everyone, they have playtime rewards on Happy Charge, an application that's so blatantly bad. I just cannot get over this. Do not go through their playtime rewards area. Trust me, it's a joke. What about if I tap on one of the coins on the right side of the screen? I'm sure I'm gonna regret it. And there's the advertisement instantly. Okay, that rewarded me with $6 of the dollars. I'm now on $190 at the top of the screen there. What if we go to the lucky shake area now? So all we need to do supposedly is shake the phone to start the lottery. Apparently I won $10 for shaking my mobile phone. Shaking my phone again brings up apparently a normal reward of $1.1. You can then watch the advertisement if you want to do it again. You can see you only have 10 shakes as well, apparently. Just shook the phone again, another normal reward, $1.40. You can also just tap on the button as well if you don't want to shake your phone. Just got $3.20, and there's the inevitable advertisement. Well, actually, it doesn't even load properly, it just crashes the game. So what about this magic phone cooling area they have here? Okay, apparently the phone is cooling down, everyone. I don't understand what planet these developers live in where they think this can magically happen by tapping a button, okay? But of course, we get smacked in the head with another advertisement. What's new? Cooling completed, supposedly. Temperature dropped by 3 degrees. Sure. So I've been playing for about, let's say, 30 minutes now, and I've already earned $241. Tapping on the mine button at the bottom of the screen will take you to the withdraw area, and of course, another little advertisement at the bottom there as well. Here are all the cash out options that Happy Charge has for us, and you can see here we have a $500 cash out, $800 cash out, and a $1,000 cash out. And apparently today's income has been $231. Remember, 30 minutes or so, everyone. Happy Charge, in my opinion, is nothing but a pathetic scam application, and I'm going to tell you why. Not only is it an early access title, where the developer has literally hidden the reviews so then people cannot see them, but over 500,000 people have downloaded this app. And the only application this developer has made is this one. Because this is a throwaway account, everyone. Google Play Store allows developers to make these throwaway accounts so they have no accountability. This is such a joke and a scam. All you need to do is simply break down the maths and compare it to real life. Over 500,000 people have downloaded this, and I earned $231 in 30 minutes. Could you imagine how much money these developers would need to pay out on average? It's just not real. Simple as that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Join my free Discord. Hit like if you watch this all the way to the end. I'll see you guys tomorrow.